Sagittarius. Okay, this reading is for you, Sagittarius. What are the things what happened for the last 2 months of 2025? Oh, okay. Okay. Sagi. Kumusta ka naman, Sagi? Okay. Bakit ganun ang start ng reading ko sa'yo, Sagi? As you can see here, Sagi is hindi masyado maganda. Okay? I will explain. So, Temperance is the first one. Ito yung dominant card mo. Pero naka-in reverse. So, may conflict tayo dito. Naguguluhan ka. Okay? Temperance mo in reverse. So, baka may mga impulsive decision kang magagawa bago matapos ng taon, which is sana hindi mo magawa. Sana. 5 of Pentacles. Okay. Malungkot ka. Merong hindi maganda. Okay, 7 of Cups. Ang dami mong pagpipilian na hindi mo alam kung anong pipiliin mo. Okay. Alam mo bakit ka nai-stress, Sagi? Because you're focusing too many things. Ang dami mong pinafocus. Ano ba talagang gusto mong unahin sa mga to? You have a lot of plates on your table. Mag-isa ka lang, Sagi. Ikaw lang yan. And you cannot do it all alone. And you cannot do it all simultaneously ng sabay-sabay. You need to do different things one at a time. Kaya ka nalulungkot eh. Bakit? Gusto mo, may gawin kang ganito. Bukas, iba na naman ang iisip mo. Tapos, yun naman ang gagawin mo. Tapos, mamaya, iba na naman yung gusto mo. Tapos, iba na naman yung sisimulan mo. Ang gulo, diba? So, yun ang nangyayari sa'yo, Sagi. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka okay. Emotionally, you're not stable because of conflict na nangyayari sa utak mo. And it's all because of you. Bakit ikaw? Ikaw lang naman may dahilan dyan eh. Ikaw lang naman ang may reason. Bakit nangyari lahat yan? Ikaw ang rason sa lahat. Bakit? Kasi you're not supposed to pick all. Okay? You're not supposed to get it all. And you're not supposed as well to have nothing. You're just supposed to have what you need. What you need. Okay? Pero look at this 5 of Pentacles. Kung tutuusin, kung titingnan mo, ayan no, 5 of Pentacles. Pero bakit malungkot? Because you're not happy of what you have. You're not contented. Okay, I'll be honest with you, Sagi. You're not contented of what you have. You always looking for something else. You always want to have something more than what you need. Okay? For example, binigyan ka ng magandang love life and you need that. And then, once na tumatagal na kayo ng relationship mo, okay ang lahat, parang ikaw mismo naghahanap ka ng way para magkaroon ng problema at to have another issue. And to think like, this is what I don't need. This is what I need. Okay? O kaya may gagawin kang, o kaya naman ay may gagawin kang project. Okay, Sagi. Tapos biglang mawawala. Mamamatay. Parang ito, yung nangyari ngayon. Bigla-bigla namamatay. Bigla-bigla, okay na naman. Kanina, full of energy. Ngayon, biglang nawawala ng energy. Okay? Before the year ends, this last 2 months of your months, Sagi, you need to be clear of what you need in your life. You need to choose. which one I need and which one I don't need. Okay? Huwag ka masyadong yung para bang you're thinking like, I must have it all nang sabay-sabay. No, you cannot have it all nang sabay-sabay. 'Di ba? So, doon ka nalulungkot eh. Tingnan mo. Okay naman to. Pero ba't nalulungkot ka pa? Parang hindi ka masaya sa buhay mo. Even you have what you need right now. Hindi ka masaya. At ikaw nagiging reason nun. Ikaw din mismo. So, you need to practice, being grateful. That's what you don't have. Gratefulness. Okay? Saji, mastery of my life. That's the message. I dedicate my strength to the divine within me. Aligning myself with the true sovereign of my life. My ego steps aside as I listen to my inner voice and act in accordance with the truth I hear. In this way, I become the master of my life. I live in abiding humility, grace, and love for the glory of God. Narinig mo yun? Your ego should step aside as you listen to your inner truth. Ano ba talagang gusto ko sa buhay ko? Before the year ends, bago matapos ang taon na to, Saji, mag-pray ka, manalangin ka, ipagdasal mo to. Ano ba talagang gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko? Ano ba talagang gusto ko? You need to live your life abiding the humility, grace, and love for the glory of God, not for the glory of yourself. Okay? Remember this, Saji. You're not living by yourself anymore. Especially if you have your own family na. You're living not just for yourself, but for those people who trusted you. Okay? You are the master of your life, yes. But remove that ego. Step aside that ego. Kasi kung may ego ka pa din, wala. So, Saji, that's what you need to remove. Dapat next year, wala na yung ego na yan. Okay? So, Saji, that's all your reading for today. And thank you for listening as we see each other in our next reading. Bye!